Here I have OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're in camera all you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So I move my camera and now we can see this shot. Here we can review all these 20 shots, and as you can see now I can select the shot which fits me best. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.